G'day people, here at Sadu or Sadu Beach. Yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it, but here is another name. I won't try and pronounce that. Panatai Sadu, something like that. Hopefully I've supplied some laughter for some people there. Alright, just I think it's a bit after 3:30. Not too sure what day it is. Alright, so here's the beach. I come down to the beach last night for a memorial, so I'll probably head down that way for a walk, or I could go that way, but we'll just have a look at this beach. This is the place to come for a sunrise here in Bali, apparently, like this side. I've seen plenty of sunsets, but haven't caught a sunrises yet. I've been here a couple of days now. I did wake up early the other day, but it was very overcast, so yeah, I went for a swim instead. But very, very nice. Like, there is a bit of seaweed style in there, but plenty of boats for fishing and sightseeing. So we'll have a wander around, we'll have a look around and see what we can see. But very nice. Yeah, I went further down last night for the memorial, so yeah, we'll get back onto the path in a moment. I thought I'd just show you this beach. It's not the most picturesque, but it is good to have a look around at different things, and we'll see what we can get up to. So yeah, we could walk along there, but I think it might be better that we walk along here. And I'll just move the camera away from the children there. So we'll just go for a walk along this boardwalk. We'll go this way, and we'll see what sights we can see. I know a lot of further up where I was last night. I'll do a film there tonight because I'll go there for tea. But from what I saw, it looked like mostly restaurants had the foreshore, you could say. They had everything all glassed off and fenced off, but I'm not too sure if these ones are free to sit at and then you buy something like they are included in the leg in, but we'll find out later this evening. So plenty of restaurants along here, and why not? You've got a decent view at night time, very romantic. You know, you don't see all the seaweed and so forth, but that's part of nature. You don't always get beauty, but it is beautiful as well. So we'll duck the camera all over the place. Be respectful is the way. You know, so there's plenty of people eating. We are towards the end of February. I can say that much, but rain has finished. Like, it did rain for about half hour, 45 minutes. Went out for a lovely bite to eat actually today, and I was going to eat at that place last night, but I decided to go somewhere else, and the meal I had last night you know, was a bit subpar, I'll say. It wasn't the worst meal, but it was a bit subpar. And there's some fireworks there. We should find out how much they are here. But yeah, so I ended up going to that place I was going to go to last night, and it was absolutely fantastic, and half the price of what I paid last night, and I thoroughly enjoyed the meal. I did make a little clip of it, but it was just a short clip, and what I'll do is I'll marry that up with a couple of other food places, but I might end up going back there and giving the place a good review, because I did try a few things on the menu. I did have a coconut as well. As I said, the prices were really reasonable, very cheap I should say. It was Muslim run as well, and so far a lot of the Muslim food that I've been to has been fantastic to say. So here's some tourist stuff that you can do. You know, there's plenty of tourist stuff here that you can do. So yeah, This is all the stuff you see on like advertising by other YouTubers and so forth. Actually, we'll duck the camera around in a minute. I just want to show the construction from another point of view. Alright, I was just showing this nice boat here, pretty cool. Now, this is a new mall that's being built. As I've said in a previous video, they do construction from 8 AM to about 10 PM. They have 2 crews. I did walk past. I didn't try to get in, but they waved me on. So yeah, I wasn't going to walk in. I was just going to show it from an inside angle. But here's another angle. I dare say they'll have restaurants on this side to take advantage of this view. And just over here, they are building some apartments. I dare say they will be quite pricey. I did go past that walking and also on the bike, I believe, so you can check that out yourself. Plenty of shops that they're going to put in there. Opening in the first quarter of 24, so we're in the year 24. So looks like that could be done in the next couple of months, but I won't hold my breath. I don't know how fast the locals work. Yeah, no, I don't know much. So we'll duck the camera, stay over here because there's a child there. So yeah, so that's another angle of the apartments that they are going to build there. So I dare say that they're going to be quite up there in the price bracket. Yeah, so really nice views. I like this lush green, and then you've got the sea there as well. I find the beach very calming, as I've probably rabbited along 100 million times perhaps, just like the mountains and so forth. But very nice. Yeah, so we'll just go for a walk and see how far we go. We'll try and wrap it up soon anyway, but they are my famous last words. Plenty of restaurants, and why not? Take advantage of the views. Pardon the pun. I just realised. Yeah, there's some nice kites there. Actually, I did see some pirate style kites in Kuta. I did make a short of that. Now it looks like this place is either abandoned or hasn't been in use. I'd say that this is abandoned because, and what a shame, you know, it is in a prime location here. So like you do come across a lot of these abandoned places, you know, like that. I did a film in a resort that's been abandoned for 5 years, and that was abandoned due to money. So hopefully someone takes that project on, because minimal waste and actual damage has been done to that property, and it is a shame that that's property I did film. It was called like the Tanner Lot something, but it's a fair way from the Tarlot to a Tanner Lot, however you want to pronounce it. So yeah, really nice views here, and very romantic if you do have a partner, I guess. We've got some fresh coconuts, advertising some gelato, and there is a nice pool there. Take advantage of the view, you know. And there's plenty of push bike activity I've noticed around here, and it is good. I have seen a lot of the older generations, like myself, on the push bikes. Like I've still continued renting a motorcycle, and I think half of the time I've walked. You know, I do enjoy a good walk. Keeps the blood pumping, and a bit of exercise does not hurt anyone. But yeah, really nice resorts here. Like, we won't stick the camera too far, and there's some coconuts growing. Yeah, so we'll keep going for a little bit longer, and then we'll wrap it up, because we've probably gone over the time limit, because most people have a short attention span. But if you are enjoying the views, certainly hit the likes, subscribe if you already haven't. I've got a lot of content to release. So if you haven't been to Bali, this could be a good opportunity to learn a few things. I'm no expert, but I do know a few things. And if I get things wrong, I will correct that in an upcoming video. So plenty of restaurants around. Obviously the rain has just finished, as I've said, so people are starting to roll back in. But very good to see this type of activity. And if you are a drinker, you could come here for happy hour. Coming up to my 4 years of non-alcohol. I think it's in a matter of days actually, but I do know it was a little bit after my mum's passing 4 years ago, so it is possibly around this time or next week, so we'll try and get past these people here. So that's a nice view there as well. Yeah, I like the trees there, reminds me of some bonsai. Yeah, I won't go into the Miyagi and Danielson routine there, but we'll wrap this up very shortly, I think. But yeah, I like the gazebos there, very nice. You could go there and chill, have yourself a beverage of some type. Very lush and green. It is starting to get a bit humid after the rain, but I love the humid weather, and the heat helps with the bones. So, yeah, some really nice structures around. Yeah, I haven't gone into any temples as yet, which is quite shocking to say, because I do love going into temples, but there are a lot of shrines.
Hello, how are you?
Very good, yourself?
Yeah, I'm selling a night.
No, I don't need anything today, thank you. Yeah, you do get harassed to buy stuff. Just be polite or raise your hand. They are very persistent, and why not? No, but it can be a bit frustrating at times, especially Kuta, Legian. You'll get offered every substance under the sun. But really nice. I don't believe I've come down this place. And here are some bicycles for rent. Quite often you can get a massage on the beach as well. If you are sitting down here, the local women will come up and offer you a foot massage or back massage. And there's a nice hotel there with a nice pool. You know, you could see yourself having a beverage and sitting there enjoying the view. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll get some footage of these dogs playing in the water. Looks like a young puppy there. Possibly Ma and Pa, could be, but that is a white dog, black dog and brown dog, so who knows. Actually there's some nice little boats over there, like in the water. They look like a goose or a duck, whichever you want to call it. But we're going to wrap this up. Uru for now, and I hope you enjoy my journeys here in Bali, Indonesia. Uru.